Our first problem is to solve for the value of side C. So for us to use the law of sine, we need opposite pairs and another given angle or side. So in this case, we can't use law of sine because there's no given for letter C. So the first thing that we need to do is to find for angle C. And for us to find angle C, we can use triangle sum theorem. So in triangle sum theorem, what you will do is to add all the interior angles of a triangle and equate it into 180 degrees. So therefore, 30 plus 29.5 degrees plus C is equals to 180. And for us to solve for angle C, we are gonna isolate C by getting the sum of 30 and 29.5 and then subtract it to 180, which give us the answer of 120.5 degrees. Since we already have value of angle C, we can now solve for side C by using the law of sine. So, importante na meron tayong opposite pairs like side B and angle B. And then the other given, which is angle C. So in this case, therefore, we can use B all over sine B is equals to C all over sine C. The next step we are gonna do is to substitute the given values. So instead of B, we write 2. Instead of sine B, we write 29.5. And then C will be the same because that is missing. And then sine C becomes sine 120.5. After that, we are gonna cross multiply to isolate C. From there, what you will do is to equate it to C. So therefore, C is equals to 2 times sine 120.5 all over sine 29.5. Then afterwards, what you will do is to solve for the unknown by pressing first or evaluating first the sine 120.5, which becomes 0.8616, and pressing also on your calculator 29.5, which becomes 0.4924. Then after that, you solve for the unknown by using your calculator. So 2 times 0.8616 divided by 0.4924 will become 3.5 feet. So therefore, the length of side C is 3.5 feet.